Well, here we are. It's Friday, chainsaw maintenance day. Yeah, it's Boomer's birthday. Happy birthday, Boomer. I can tell you're excited. Oh, saw maintenance. But you can tell we get a little deeper today. See if we can get Grandpa going. This escalated rather quickly. Didn't have any spark. I'm trying to find it. I can't find it in here anywhere. But there's all the bits. It rolled and it spin. Well, I can't do it by my hand. Not with a plug in there. I'd say that carburetor's fine. I don't think it's ran since the 70s. I'm pretty sure that bar oil looked black. It probably came from a 1956 Buick used motor oil. It's probably the same thing that was in there mixed with the gas. I dumped that out and it was ready to varnish a bookshelf. And this old dude, it's the Homelite Zip Chainsaw. They made them from 1958 to 1962. As you can tell, it don't have a chain brake. That was long before OSHA came around. But it needs some cleaning. Need to tear it apart. Clean it up. Try to pull the jug off and inspect the piston, hone out the cylinder. Make sure everything's working. Maybe we can get this thing going. It's a 77cc chainsaw, if I remember, and a big old bar on it. A very low RPM saw. It's nothing like the Steel or the Husqvarna. Run over 10,000 RPMs, but look at this chain. That thing's a monster. No safety chain. Again, before OSHA. It's twice as thick as the regular. My other chains. Mercy sakes. Yeah. I got chains hanging everywhere. Those are all sharp. Those are ready to go. Just need to put them on there on my cigar. Oh, there's my pallet. So, we'll see what happens. Shelly over here? You in here? Nope, she went to bed. That's where I'm going to plant my giant sequoia redwood sapling. Huge midgets. That's them. So, oh well. I'll keep you updated on this. The clutch seems to spin free. That's a good sign. Alright. Well, talk to you later.